Greetings and congratulations to all of our students of merit. On behalf of our Board of Education and all of our educators with Granville County Public Schools, please know we are proud of you. As your superintendent, I'm simply delighted to have the opportunity to share this moment with you. I would like to begin by thanking your school and the Granville Ed Foundation for sponsoring this event and this moment of celebration. I would also like to take this opportunity to say thank you to your parents, your grandparents, family members, guardians, and friends, everyone who pitched in to help you on this journey. For there's no easy way to get where you have, especially during a pandemic. This year has been like none other, and you still have demonstrated excellence and achievement. So we commend you, we celebrate you, and we want to say congratulations. To our ninth graders, you've made it to the next level in your academics. Please stay the course, stay focused, and stay true to your academic work. To our 10th graders, you've now proven you have exactly what it takes to stay on track. Don't give up now and stay focused. To our 11th graders, great job. We commend you for your perseverance. You've come too far to turn around now, so you also need to stay the course and stay focused. To our 12th graders, please stand wherever you are and give yourselves a round of applause. This is your year, and I know it might look a little different, but it's still yours, and we commend you, each and every one of you, for a job well done. We salute all of you for this accomplishment. Celebrate it, for we recognize you for all you've done to get here. You are the students who represent all of us extremely well, and we admire you for your tenacity and your responsibility and dedication to task. On behalf of all of us in Granville County Public Schools, we salute you. Once again, congratulations.
than recognizing and honoring students such as the ones who are being honored tonight. You have all excelled in your studies. You have demonstrated the qualities that I desire for all of my students: hard work, dedication, and persistence. I would like to take this opportunity as your principal to thank you for being role models to other students in our school through your commitment to achieve at the highest level. I am so proud of your accomplishments. I would also like to thank your parents and congratulate them and other families who are celebrating with you tonight and who have guided and supported you throughout your school years. I am sorry that we cannot all be together in person celebrating tonight, but that does not take away from this extraordinary accomplishment. Congratulations again on being named a Granville County Public Schools Student of Merit.